Good morning, hey you. I am about to edit yesterday's video, whatever, and I actually have a package that I got in the mail this week that I need to open, and it's a package, it's a peen. I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and it's from Emisil, and I'm so excited for this, so I think that might be what I'm doing today. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, hey, beauty. She's right here. I'm trying to, like, hide what this room looks like, so I'm not ready to show you what it looks like. Alrighty. It's time. It is time to open this package that I got last week from Emisil, and I am so excited for this. So, this is like an unboxing video, Vlogmas. Listen, I'm getting back into the hang of things, of making videos and, like, doing stuff. So, if I accidentally put in like an unboxing with Vlogmas or like a sponsored video or something, this is not sponsored, with Vlogmas, you just give me a break, okay? Please, I'm returning. I'm slowly starting to feel it again. Okay, so just to give you an idea, this was shipped from Lithuania and it was shipped to the United States. There's nothing here that I see on the declaration that says weenie. It doesn't say that, so that's great. Also, I'm doing this unboxing so that you can see what product it is and you can ask me questions so that I can answer them for you in the review that I'll do next month. And I really want to try to make the reviews like a month after. My God, I reviewed something in August, okay? And I don't know why I haven't posted it yet, but it's like literally private on my channel. I still have, whatever. Anyways. Ooh. What is this? Oh my God. First of all, we got some lube. It's like glued to this thing. And then this what the? Is this a joke? First, hold on. I gotta open this big thing because, oh my God. This is a joke, right? Like, this is like a novelty. Like, there's no way. How did they even make the mold for this? Like, this oh my, Minu is looking. Minu, and it's like, it actually is like dual layer. Like, it's like mushy and like there's maybe like some like gel or something, and inside it's hard. Wow. Okay, well, can't wait to pack with this. Hey! Hello? No, you're too big, thanks. So if I look on the website, I actually don't see that this exists, so maybe this is just like a, I don't know. I'm living for them sending me this though. It'll go perfect in my new peen wall. All right, and now this is the thing that I have been waiting for years. If you go back to all my videos, I have always said, wouldn't it be great to have an uncut peen where the foreskin actually moves? Well, hello. We are here, and apparently it's time because we're here. So there's a couple of things. First of all, it smells like glue, like the glue that you use. You know, when you're a kid, you put the glue on your hands and you wait, and then you peel it off. I'm just giving you my first impression here. That's what it's like. So, just to give you an idea, I have the link up here. It is 6.7 inches. It's $592 US. And there's a bunch of skin tones, and you can also get hair on it. So if you want with sliding foreskin, it's $100 more. So let us see what happens here. So they actually sent me some lube. You have to use water-based lube before starting this. Okay, so I just looked at the email that they sent. We will ship extra large prosthetic. Thank you. Okay, so I have this here, and now I have to put some water-based lube, so let's do that on the head. So I put a little bit here. I'm just kind of showing you what it's gonna look like, and of course I'm gonna review this like actually, so I'm just putting in, this is, I'm so ready for this. I'm so ready. It actually, wow. It actually pulls back. It actually pulls back, and it goes back up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what am I doing tonight? Testing this out. So leave in your comments what you'd like to know, like over time that you have sex with it. Oh my God, this is like a sleeve. It goes all the way down. I am interested. I don't want to break this. Because here's the thing. that you need to know if you don't know why this is not a thing and like why haven't they done this before. Silicone sticks to silicone. So when you have a silicone product and you put another silicone product over it, it's just gonna stick to it. They have somehow figured out a way to make the inside, finish that, and then make the outside sleeve and then put it on top of it. And they did these separately, and then I think this was glued after. I think that's why I smell glue. But I really don't care because I've been waiting for this literally my whole life. Oh my God. And of course, I'm going to put some Gender Cat adhesive on here because that's the adhesive that I prefer. Oh, look at that. Emisil actually puts their label on the back now. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it's there. Oh my God. Okay, anyways, that's what wow, okay. Like, oh my God. I'm so excited. I can understand how for some people this is gross or like you're not interested as much as I am, but this is something that I've been waiting for a long time. Anyways, okay, thank you Emisil sending me this. I'm excited to hear about the comments and what people want to know about this. And like if the glue smell ever goes away, and also I am just living for this. All right, let's go on with our day. 3 good things. 1, I actually got a lot of work done at home today, which is great. 2, I actually spent a lot of time with the cats and got to cuddle with them. And 3, I had the vegan chicken tacos that I haven't had in 6 months because the chicken is discontinued. Rude, beyond meat. But there was a bag at Sierra's mom's house and they gave it to us. And I ate 6 tacos, so I'm a little bit bloated. It hit the spot, you know? What are 3 good things that happened to you today? Let me know. I'll see you tomorrow.